Hello, my name is Lawrence and I had the Icon treatment with Palomar Clinic. Almost all my life now I've had this scar on my forehead which is quite visible when I'm speaking to people. Although it's never caused me any problems with my confidence, I just felt it was time to get rid of the scar. The cause of it was rather unpleasant and I never really enjoyed looking back on it. Even when I'd look in the mirror and I'd notice the scar, I'd reflect back on those moments. So that's when I knew I wanted to get rid of it. For me though, the question was how, because I never really understood how you can remove a scar. So I knew I had to do some research, and after doing some research I found out that there were different methods, and Palomar Clinic's website landed first on Google. And once the laser begun, I noticed that the practitioner was performing it in rounds, and in total there were 6 rounds of the laser, which was really helpful for me because if at any point the laser was getting overwhelming, maybe a bit too warm or whatnot, I'd have that break in between each round. But all in all, I wasn't overwhelmed to the point where I needed to stop because of the pain. That might be because the breaks helped me in regathering myself and blowing some cool wind into my face. The best way to describe the feeling on my face after the treatment was like spending the full day at the beach and your face is sunburned. So the downtime wasn't really extensive, it was minimal, with just 1 day or 2 of redness. I'd say the pain was a little painful in some areas. Actually, the accurate word I would use is probably irritating. I only found it irritating on some areas of the face, for example the forehead, which was probably more sensitive than other areas, for example the cheeks, which I think were fine. But all in all, I think the pain levels were bearable. It wasn't difficult to the point where I needed to stop. With the reassurance of my practitioner that not only would my scarring fade, but that I would also see results in a reduction of open pores over the course of 4 treatments, I am excited and looking forward to seeing this.